Everybody, it's May 30th, 2021, and Sunday weekly outlook video. Here we go. Keep in mind, tomorrow in the United States is Memorial Day, and it's also the banks will be closed here in the U.S. and then also in the U.K. it's a banking holiday as well, and so they'll also be closed over there. So volatility is going to be super low for day 1 and 2 of the markets, Monday at least, and then right off the bat, turnaround Tuesday is going to be coming in hot. And usually when you have a couple days in a row of dead markets, that the volatility picks up pretty quickly. So I think that's definitely going to be the week this week, especially with NFP being Friday. So get ready for a big week in the market. And man, what I want to talk about is the dollar. So we had some pretty strong dollar moves Thursday and Friday before Thursday, especially, and then a huge bounce back on Friday. It was super frustrating. But I think AU, I'm looking at specifically, this is looking like a really strong setup. We broke down under the support here. You can see on the Momentum, my Momentum system down here, we're looking pretty bearish. That's on the 4-hour, 2-hour, even more so, more in the shorter term. And, this is looking good. We caught a good trade here last week, or maybe that was 2 weeks ago. And then we've been ranging ever since, and we are breaking down out of that range. So I think this is going to be a really good setup going into next week. Let's take a look at EURUSD, which also had a massive breakdown, which we got in really nicely on Thursday. Didn't quite hit our 120 pip target. Look at this snapback. Pretty strong here. But I really like the setup. We actually took some profits down here. We got 121. 91-ish, 92, I think is where we got in on Thursday, and bounced right off this 61.8% retracement. Let's see, this fibs got moved around on my phone. Just a straight bounce off of that, pinpoint accuracy. And then here we are retesting that 122 level. So similar to Aussie dollar, and you could have your fanning trend lines going out here. Even depending on where the fractals are. I don't have my fractals on here at the moment. And I like to look at the envelope here on 15 to see where we are in relation to that. So this is going to be this 122 level. It's going to be pretty important depending on where the euro goes from here. But out of the two, I particularly like Aussie dollar better. So let's take a look at Kiwi Dollar. Also has been super strong, super strong last week. We had this huge move, and this was our RBNZ last week, and then a retrace. Now we're just kind of going sideways here, but we are distributing across the board here following a huge uptrend that lasted for quite some time. So this is going to be one to watch, and I'm going to be looking for us to break one way or the other outside of this this trend, but it hasn't quite it doesn't look as heavy as Aussie dollar in my opinion. But what does look good, finally, let's see if this is actually going to follow through here, is dollar CAD. We caught one move, a rally here, took profits. We caught another move, which started to press higher on Thursday and Friday, and then had a huge retest of the 78.6% fib level from this low to this high, which I personally like that Fibonacci level very much so. And now we are slowly moving to the side here, but I think it's going to be a great setup, especially if we can hold this level of support. And, you know, what's driving oil, CAD right now in a big way is oil prices. You know, because of inflation, new administration, everything going on. Man, it cost me $58 to fill up my Tacoma, which is a V6 truck. And it's not like it's even doesn't have a huge tank or anything like that. But I was really excited, really disappointed. I was not excited. I was surprised to see that gas was so expensive. So, but dollar CAD, if we can start to push higher here, and the dollar does, if it does, strengthen, this is going to be a great play. We're just getting started. And so pound CAD here, we caught a huge move, 120 pip. This is our take profit, and then a retest down. So we caught that right on the money there. Now I am going to be looking for an opportunity to get back in on this and keep riding this trend higher. So here on the hourly time frame, you can see we just pushed through envelope here. And yeah, so I think it's looking like a really, really, really great potential setup for us to get another move. And GU kind of doing its own thing here, you know, got stopped out here, unfortunately, last week trying to get in with this dollar strength. And so that is what I wanted to point out is, man, we are super close to this 140, 44, 45 level, which is, you know, it's just a matter of time until this comes into play. This double top right here that we made back in 2018. So if the dollar strengthens first, look for some sort of dip down, which would create a great buying opportunity for us to really challenge that level. And who knows where we go from there. So it's going to be a big week tomorrow, you know, low liquidity. There's going to be a lot of quick trap moves. So be careful. You may want to think twice about getting in and just hopping in the market. But after that, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Wednesday, market might chill out a little bit Thursday, and then Friday we'll have NFP for June. So it's going to be a massive week, everybody. So let's have an awesome one. If you're watching that this weekend, we're having a Memorial Day sale. So click the link below to take advantage of that. It's a super low price to get lifetime access to our signals and Academy, or our trade setups. Take advantage of that. Click the link below, and can't wait to see you in the group. Let's have an awesome, awesome week, everybody. Peace.